Hey guys, it's Mrs. Holbrook, and I told you Baby Echo likes to dance. You're always going to catch Baby Echo dancing. How are you today? Good. All right, are you in a spot where you can listen and think and focus? If you're not, pause the video and get somewhere where you can really focus. Okay, and make sure you have your materials. You're going to need your dry erase board today, a dry erase marker, and your brain. Are you ready? Great. Okay, my friends, today we will be learning two new letters. The first letter is D. The keyword, the picture that we'll use to help us remember the sound this letter makes is a dog. So when we do this, we'll say D, dog, D. Let me hear you. Good. And we have our standard card to put up here. Let's do our alphabetical order. A, B, C, D. That's where it goes. And let's practice again. D, dog, D. Great job. Hey, what color is the card for the letter D? It's yellow. That means it's a consonant. Very good. Here it is. Oh my goodness, it's the letter S. And a snake. Are you scared of snakes? I see a lot of snakes when I go hiking. So our letter is S. Our keyword is snake, and the sound is S. Repeat after me. S, snake, S. Great job. Let's put our standard card S in the right spot for alphabetical order. We still have some more letters to learn here. The S will be the end of this row. And let's practice again. S, snake, S. Great job. S and D are both plain line round letters. So when we do some writing, we know that means that we'll be starting on the plain line and they'll be having a curve to them. But before we do that, let's practice singing all of our vowels. Warm up your singing voice, please. Me, 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 me. Let's do our best voices together. Here we go. A, apple, ah. I, itch, eh. O, octopus, ah. U, up, ah. Nice singing, everybody. Okay, who's ready to do some writing? Me, me, me. Great. So first, we are going to practice the letter D. You do not need your whiteboard yet. We are going to skywrite. I just want you to watch me first. Okay. Anyone remember what kind of letter we said D is? We said it's a plain line round letter. So when we do this, we'll point to the plain line. Repeat after me. Point to the plain line. Go back down and around to the grass line. All the way back up to the skyline and trace back down to the grass line. D, dog, duh. Start at the plain line, go back down around to the grass line, up to the skyline, trace back down to the grass line. D, dog, duh. Okay, let's get ready to skywrite this letter, this consonant. Zoom, I'm going to push you away a little bit. Great. Stand up. Let's shake out our arms a little. Get ready to write. Woo! Okay. Let me see your pencil tip and a nice straight arm. You can hold your pencil if you need to. What color do you want to see shoot out today? Ooh, good one. Now picture that shooting out of your pencil tip as you write in the sky. Repeat after me. Point to the plain line. Go back down and around to the grass line. All the way back up to the skyline and trace back down to the grass line. D, dog, duh. All right, shake it out. We're going to do it again. Make sure you repeat after me. Point to the plane line. Go back down and around to the grass line, all the way up to the skyline, and trace back down to the grass line. D, dog, duh. Great job, everybody. Let's go ahead and practice them on our whiteboard now. I want you to go ahead and do a whole row of D's. Okay, make sure you stay in the lines and take your time and be neat. You can pause right here and take your time on the D's and come back when you're ready for the next letter. Did you do all your D's? Okay, put a circle around your favorite one, the one that looks neatest to you. Great, and then get ready, because what was the other letter we learned today? S, that's right. Okay. So for our S, here's what it will look like. It's also a plain line round letter, so we will always point to the plain line, trace back, and it curves in and goes back again and lands on the grass line. S, snake. Okay, so we want our S's to look nice and neat between the plain line and the grass line. Let's try some skywriting together. Pencil tip. Nice straight arm. And here we go. Point to the plain line. Trace back and it curves in. Then goes back again and lands on the grass line. S, snakes. Should we do it again? Yeah. Point to the plain line. Trace back and it curves in. And goes back again and lands on the grass line. S, snakes. Okay, your turn. On your whiteboard, I'd like you to practice your S, a whole row. So, how did all of your S's look? Okay, good. And for this next activity, we'll be doing some more writing. It could be any of the letters we've practiced so far. Can everybody show me your grip? Please make sure you're pinching and putting a table down. If you're left-handed, you're pinching and putting a table down as well, okay? No holding your markers up here or like this or like this. We really want to see that nice pencil or marker grip. Awesome. All right, so get ready. On your whiteboard, show me what letter says Everyone say What letter is it? Write it on your whiteboard. Very good, baby Echo. M says And I just remembered, I've been doing all of the letters on this side of the whiteboard. If you're having trouble staying in those little lines, you can use your other side for now. And when you get better, you'll go to this side. So do what's right for you. Check over that M. Make sure it started at the plain line, went down to the grass line, make a hump and another hump. Okay, go ahead and erase that one. Which letter says, repeat after me. Which letter is that? Can you write it on your whiteboard? Good, and check. Make sure your F only goes down to the grass line, not in the worm. And make sure it has that little hook up in the sky and across on the plain line. Great job. Okay. Which letter says ah? Repeat after me. Ah. Very good. O. And remember, O is a vowel. We can sing it forever. Ah. And it's a pink or a salmon color. Okay, repeat after me. Which letter says B? B? And remember, B is a skyline letter. It starts up in the sky, goes down to the grass, trace back up to the plane line and around and down to the. Whoa, jumped out of my hand, that letter B. There you go. Really make sure your B looks nice and neat. If you need to practice any of these letters more, you can pause the video and do as many as you need to get your practice in. Okay, I think it is time now for dun, your student notebook. Who remembers the two letters we learned today? D and S. They're both consonants, so we'll find them in the consonant section. Let's find the D first because it comes first in the alphabet. If anyone finds it before me, shout out the page number to help everybody else. Ah, look at that. You're right. Page 2. What's the letter's name, everybody? D. What's the keyword or picture? Dog. And what's the sound? D. Good. Pause the video here and color in that dog. When you're done, you can unpause and find our other letter of the day, S. There's the S. I found it on page 5. What's the letter's name? S. What's the keyword? Snake. What's the sound? S. And you'll notice there's another S. We'll be learning this later in the year. Okay, go ahead and color in that snake. And baby echo, what's that? You're proud of them? I'm proud of you guys too. You worked very hard today. We can't wait to see you for the next song and dance that Echo's going to do. So be sure to tune in tomorrow. Bye.